𝗕cie Corporation, starting in AI Expo Japan 2025. It's been exciting starting in AI Expo Japan. 𝗕cie Corporation is exhibiting our different product lines, including our solution for AMR, pick-and-place NVIDIA Isaac based development kits, active stereo and iToF for Edge A.I, VLM LLM, 3D body pose and finger tracking, and our 3D dimensioning solution for vehicle, parcel and packages. Visitors and industry leaders and professionals from automotive applications, smart farming, factory automation, and smart cities have honored their presence in our booths for engaging how our solutions and products can empower and solve their demands for a better and more efficient operation in their applications use cases. We have 2 more days to go, booth 14 to 38 and booth 10 to 1. Don't hesitate to come over to our booths at Tokyo Big Sight. 𝗕cie.